In this video I'm going to show you the clear pool bag, and these are vacuum system bags that work on all the major vacuum systems, the Riptide, the Hammerhead, the bottom feeder, and the Power Vac. And they currently sell 4 different bags. They have a 90 micron bag, a 200 micron bag, a 400 micron bag, and they have a bag that you can use for a green pool cleanup. And the bags are color coded here, and this is the Emerald 90 micron. It also comes with a color coded zip tie and bungee cord. And I really like this bungee cord because it holds the bag on to any vacuum system very securely. And here's the material of their green pool bag, and you can see that this is made specifically for heavy debris. And here's our 400 micron and 200 micron bag. And you can see how coarse the 400 micron bag is. And these are for pools with mainly leaf debris, and this is going to allow you to pick up the debris very rapidly in the pool. And the 200 micron bag is a good mix between the 400 and the 90 micron bag. And in your area, you may prefer the 200 micron. And on the back of the packaging are the instructions for the assembly of the bag. And these bags are handmade in Mexico City, and you can see that the stitching on these bags is really well done. And let me show you the debris that the bottom feeder picked up here. And this is the 200 micron bag. And you can see that the clear pool bag does a great job picking up leaf debris. And these cypress leaves are really heavy, so you can see that the bag did really well with them. If you're looking for a great aftermarket bag for your vacuum system to save some money, check out the clear pool bag. Pool Service Pro, open a Leslie's wholesale account today and receive wholesale pricing on products you use every day. Leslie's Pool Supply offers convenient locations that are open 7 days a week. Another great benefit of opening a Leslie's wholesale account is Leslie's referral program. Get referred to a customer looking for weekly pool service, save time and money, and grow your pool service route and become a Leslie's Pro.